Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with IRS. I have worked about 10,000 cases. I worked at IRS for a decade. I've been in private practice for how many? I've been in private practice for 4 decades. I've been doing this for 50 years. If you need to contact me, you can find me in the description section. I welcome you to look at my website at 77irs.com. You can look at my team if you would do that, and you'll see all my videos, my news clips. Anyway, I do these videos for 3 reasons: to educate you, to give you inside information from the IRS in cases that I can do that on, and also to educate you. So anyway, thank you for listening. I want to talk to you today about if you owe payroll taxes. Many people ask me, can you go ahead and can you settle your debt on 941 payroll tax debts? Can those debts on that tax be settled? And the answer, in fact, is yes. You can go ahead and settle payroll tax debt through what's called the Offer and Compromise program. Debts can be settled. If you have a 941 debt and you kind of are just not really doing well and you'd like the IRS to consider that, you can file an offer and compromise. I used to work this program at IRS as a revenue officer. I used to accept and deny offers, so I'm really familiar with the offer and compromise program. So what you'd have to do is, first of all, you have to be at least, all your tax returns are going to have to be filed through any offer. Whether it's a personal offer or a 941 or business offer, all your returns have to be filed. IRS is going to want you current for the last 6 months. If it's a 1040 case, they want you current on estimate payments. If it's a 941, they want you current on payroll tax cases. You make your estimates, your payroll tax deposits. Then IRS is going to want a 433B, which is the business financial statement, and they're going to want a 433A, a personal financial statement, because they're going to take a look at everything, both your personal life and your business life. And what they're looking for are 2 things. They're looking for your assets, what liquidity you have, and they're also, at the end of the day, they're looking for how you're spending your money, both through your business and through your personal finances. And if you're living within what IRS calls a reasonable standard, they'll accept the offer. And there's a lot, when I say within a reasonable standard, you must understand the IRS national standards. I've done a whole bunch of videos on there. IRS expects you to live within the framework of what the Department of Labor says you should live on in a particular area. So IRS will scrutinize your business income and expenses, making sure everything is normal on the expense side. So if you owe a lot of money on payroll tax and you want to try to settle it, you can call us or call whoever you want, but yes, you can settle that only through the offer and compromise. If this information was good, please leave me a subscription. We love those. It helps YouTube know we're doing a good job. Leave me a comment if you want. You want me to do a YouTube on something, I'm welcome to do that. Once again, my name is Mike Sullivan. I have a whole team of former IRS agents, and we have been doing this for a very long time, maybe 250 years total of direct IRS work experience. Thank you, and thank you for the subscription.